Yo, what's good? So I recently got hit up by a guy in the comments. Someone dropped a comment, one of my viewers, and they asked me what's the top three tips I can give him as a rapper. So here are my top three tips. One is network. It's one of the biggest things. You have to network, meaning you have to get online and you have to link up with producers, right? Rappers need producers and producers need rappers. Okay, as a rapper, you need to link up with other producers, right? Why? Because you want to formulate your own sound, right? Working with one specific producer that you like and enjoy, your sound is gonna sound full, and your brand and you as a rapper are gonna have a specific sound, right, which allows people to fall in love with you quicker. Whereas if you keep having different sounds all the time on your singles, then someone might like this sound but they might not like this sound, and then you lose them, right? So to engage an audience and build a fan base, have a particular sound that you can keep putting out there to make people fall in love with your sound quicker. Okay, it's a bit like if you go to your favorite restaurant and every single day they serve a different type of food. Like one day they serve Indian, next day they serve Chinese, another day they serve pizza. Then you might go there one day looking for a pizza and they're serving Indian on that day. So then you have to go somewhere else to listen to something else. So working with one specific producer is going to allow you to have a sound that people keep coming back for, wanting more and more. Number two is you need to put out content, loads of content, right? And when I say content online, I don't mean just, promoting your single. I mean, post pictures of you behind the scenes, right? Writing a song. Post pictures and videos of you rapping, freestyling over a beat. Post pictures and videos of you as explaining your process behind writing a song. What drove you to do it? What inspired you to do it? Post pictures of, your favorite football team, your favorite foods. And it sounds counterproductive, but what you want to do is you want to build relationships with people, right? Because people fall in love with you first, and then they're going to fall in love with your music after. Okay, a lot of people get this backwards. Nowadays they think, right, let people fall in love with my music and then they'll start to fall in love with me. But because there's so much music out there, what's going to separate you from everyone else? It's going to be your personal brand, your personality. Okay, that's why a lot of YouTube stars, right, they're blowing up on YouTube because they've got a personality out there and people know them, they've got an audience, and then they slip in their music and they start promoting some music because it's another product that people can buy and enjoy from them, right? So think about it from this. Instead of releasing music and then getting people to like you, right, get people to like you, share with your audience, build an audience, and be honest, show your process, your music process, and then slide them your album. Number three, for me, my biggest thing is you gotta have your own studio. As a rapper nowadays, you need to be you need to be vocaling yourself, you need to have your own music production. Why? Because you're gonna save money, okay? If you can save money going to music studios, that's money that you can reinvest back into your brand and into building your rap career, okay? So like nowadays, I'm not trying to drive music recording studios out of business because there's a place for them. But initially, when you're working on ideas and you're building your craft and you're getting ideas from pen to paper and paper to computer, you need a home studio where you can just quickly take ideas and make them into songs, and then at a later date when you really want to make a big release, then I would advise you to go to the studio and hire a studio and make music there. But initially, when you're trying to work on a budget, it's good to get your own music studio going, so that it's just going to save you money. Think about it. If you're going to the recording studio and you're hiring one out and it's $30 or £30 a day, and you want to just get ideas out, if you're in there for 4 or 5 hours, you already spent £150 or whatever it is, and you ain't even finished the song yet probably. Whereas if you got your home recording studio, you can make music every day in your house, allows you to build your brand quicker, allows you to build your skills quicker, and put more music out. So number one is network. Number two, put out loads of content showing who you are, not just about promoting. And number three is invest in your own home studio. So I hope that helps. Give this video a like if you liked it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.